Alright, I'm changing out my window. Look at that. I broke the window the other day. The window slid down and I tried to pick it up with a pair of needle nose pliers. Ended up breaking it, so I'm replacing the window and the window regulator. Alright, so you gotta pull this off. But first you gotta take out the speaker. 1, 2, 3. This is what you need right here. I know y'all want to see this, so I'm gonna skip it. So alright, next, I already took out the speaker. I gotta unloosen these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it, and that's the window regulator. And I think that's a 10 socket, and I will be back after I take it off. Found it. Took me what, 5 minutes?
Alright, so on this one. So you gotta make sure you get all the way to the bottom.
Alright, I got the old one out. Here's the old one. Glass on it. There's the glass right there. Here's the new one. Put that in. Yeah, I can't wait. Been without a window going up and down for at least a year. But not anymore. Alright, it's time to put the window regulator in. First thing first, put the motor in first.
Do it best way I can with one hand. Alright. Put this in first. And when you're doing it, make the bolts still in.
Alright, I got one side in at the top. So start with the bottom right there. So, still got glass in there. And get that out. Boom, boom. Now I gotta get the motor right. Alright, I got it. Got that. Boom. 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 So I gotta snap that back.